back for another video. As you can tell from the title, this one is going to be about nails, and yes, that is a little different from the normal business world videos I bring to you all. I wanted to show you something outside of the business that I've recently gotten involved with, and that's in doing my own nails. I'm going to remove all of the old polish from my last set before I begin the refill process. All of the links will be listed below in the description box for all of the items that I'm using in today's video. And also, if you are new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. No, I am not certified in doing nails. I literally woke up one day and said, why am I paying to go to the nail shop, sit in a long line and wait, when I can do this myself? I know I can do this. Let me tell you all about my first set. My very first set was a little busted. I am not gonna lie, it was busted. But I did not get discouraged. I continued to do my nails every other week and my skills improved. The number 240 band is used to smooth and sand the nail surface. I'm using nail primer so it can remove the remaining oils and grease that's on my nail plate so I will not experience any lifting. This is one of the Polygel kits that I started out doing my nails with, and I really like this kit because of the consistency of the Polygel. It's not too loose and it's not too thick. To me, it seems to be just right for my liking. I prefer Polygel over acrylic, and the reason I say that is because the acrylic, when you apply it, it's already starting to dry versus the Polygel. The Polygel does not dry until you place your hands under the UV lamp. Remember to take your time and get the shape that you really want, and do not flood the cuticle area. If you flood the cuticle area with the Polygel and allow it to dry, you will experience lifting down the line. I'm just cleaning up the cuticle area, removing the excess Polygel that may have gotten in that area. going to show you one more nail on camera, and then the rest of them I'm going to do off camera. Starting off with the 100 grit side, which that is used to reduce the length and take down the surface of the nail. And then I'm going to flip it over to the 180 grit side, and that is used for shaping the nail. You all, but for me, whenever I'm rocking stiletto nails, I like for my nails to be very sharp. I'm just going over the surface area to make sure everything is flat and smooth before I polish my nails. Make sure you wash your hands when you finish the smoothing process. Do not just dust them off with a piece of paper towel or slap your hands together and say it looks like I got it all off. Trust me, I've been there, done that, trying to save you the time. Those dust particles will peek through the polish once you begin to polish your nails. To remove the gel base from your cuticle area. If you do not remove it and allow your nails to dry, at first it will not show up, but in probably like 2 days, it will show up on the side. It'll have this like little clearish, semi-white texture that'll just be on your cuticle area. temperature change polish because I get two colors for the price of one, but also I like doing ombre nails, but it is a little time consuming. So with the temperature change, you can get ombre effect with no problem when your temperature is like you're in between that warm and cold stage. It will show on your nails. When applying the polish, take thin layers. I usually do 2 to 3 thin layers because if you apply one large coat, it looks chunky on the nail. When it comes to the marble effect, like, you really cannot mess that up. If you just do some circles, some lines, some swirls, or whatever the design is that you picture in your head or that you see that you want to try, just do it. It's going to turn out good. when it comes to this nail art foil, I am 50-50. Let me tell you about this doggone foil. Some days it works for me, it'll cover the whole nail, and some days it does not, it'll cover like part of the nail, but I still make it work and just incorporate another design into it. Whenever I finish doing my nails, I never apply cuticle oil. I always use body butter that I make and sell for my business. The body butter is rich in different oils and butters that's going to moisturize and hydrate the nail bed just as good as the cuticle oil would.